All right, so I want to look at our image that we should be doing, and I'm going to give you an extra week to finish this because I want these images to actually be useful. So what's been happening is a lot of us have been going to just like Google, and we're Googling the word like xenophobia. Okay, so that's one of our words this week, and it means the dislike of or prejudice against people from other countries. So what some of us are doing is we're just going to images. We're finding an image that we like that is about the photo, about the definition, and then we're putting it in here. And that's not what I want. I want something that shows me a dislike of or prejudice against people from other countries. So the website that I have linked in the assignment that I want you to use is the Noun Project. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an account with them, and then these give you a bunch of different like simple icons that you can use to create an image. So how we're going to use these back in our original example, um, we click in the box that our image is going to go. We can go to Insert, Drawing, and New, and this will open a Google Draw that'll be in that box. So then what I do is I go to the Noun Project and I search for something that maybe I want. So let's say um, angry person. Once I find that, so I see here I've got a bunch of different images of people that just overall look angry. Okay, so let's say, look at this one. This guy's screaming at somebody. So what I can do, I can also like change the color if I want. So like say like he's angry, so it's red. Um, change the size. Let's go with like medium. And then I can download this picture as part of my entire image. So um, I click download. I can copy this to my clipboard, and then when I go into my drawing, I can paste it, and this is now the image um, that I was wanting to use. And the thing about downloading it with your account versus screenshotting it is that this one gives you a clear background, so you can not have to worry about when you're layering. So let's say I go here. Um, let's say let's say uh, Europe, and I want to. So that's a person that's angry, doesn't like somebody from Europe. Let's say. So I can just find a picture of Europe. Here you go. Let's make it a different color just for sake of doing it. Okay. So here is Europe. I go back into my picture. I'm just going to use the Control V paste option. So right now it just looks like he's yelling at a country. So that really doesn't make a ton of sense, but it will in a second. Now I'm going to go back and let's just say, like, what's a type of European person? Let's say French person. Okay. All right, I see. Okay, look at there's all these people that are French. Let's go with this guy. He looks French. Okay, he's got the little scarf and everything. All right, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna make his outline. Okay, I'm gonna download the icon again. Copy to clipboard. If you don't get to the copy the clipboard stuff, you can go and find it in your files, and you can do that using the this image button. You can add image that way. So now, okay, so I've got this little French guy. Okay, look, he's all French on top of Europe. Okay, and let's say I want to add some text for some context. So I click the text button, the text box button right here, and let's put a text box that says Um, boo, go back to France. Okay, so now this image shows a little more of what that means versus just Googling an image. I can even go here and go to like call outs and put like a bubble over top of it, right? So I can see like, oh god. If I want to do that, I can right click and go to order, like send to back. And then there we go. I got this little thought bubble that says go back to France. So once I save and close that, then you will see I have that image right here inside of my window pane. So I'm looking for these type of images or visual representations versus just a image you found on Google and pasted in.